right? Moving my hands like Trump. Anyway, what do we got today? We've got a Ford Ranger. That's what it is. You know how you can tell it's a Ford Ranger. Why? Because it writes Ford here and it writes Ranger there. Those are the technical details that you come to our YouTube channel to find out. Anyway, more importantly, we're going to get a fiberglass canopy fitted on this Ford Ranger. This is the fiberglass canopy, and we're going to fit it here. Well, we're not going to fit this exact one. This one's for an LDV. We're going to fit a Ford Ranger one, right? And then apart from that, actually, here's one that I basically prepared earlier, and then we're also going to fit this roof platform and backbone style system on the canopy as well. We're going to get into it. The fiberglass canopies are pretty straightforward to fit. There's a little bit of wiring there. We're going to get into the details of what those colors are, so that if you did want to pick one up and fit one for yourself, you can go to ozcanopies.com.au and grab one for yourself today. Or if you didn't want to bother with that, you can always drop it off to our, should I say, specially trained monkeys here, specialist monkeys, right, to get it done on your ute for a very, very nominal fee. Other than that, let's get stuck into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the fitting video of this fiberglass canopy on this PX Ranger. While we're at it, we'll go through it very quickly. This one has central locking on the rear door. I don't have the key on me, so I can't demonstrate, but you do also have the key override, and it is locked as a result. So that's the benefit of the central locking. Left unattended, it'll lock itself. So come on, have a look inside, just how much space you gain in there. Very, very straightforward. You get the front sliding window, you get the interior vinyl, lift up windows on both sides. And this one in the standard white color, you can see there's a little bit of a difference in the color matching. It's actually in the Arctic white, whereas this vehicle is cool white. But you end up in a situation where you get a canopy that's very, very competitively priced in white. They're $2,900 supplied, plus $450 to fit on a bare tub if you are around the area, which is South Windsor, Northwest Sydney, to get one fitted. Other than that, we've got these canopies available for basically all the makes and models kicking about. So go on ozcanopies.com.au to get one there, and like, subscribe, you know the go.